Hello student. In today's video, I am going to explain third lesson of maths and the name of the lesson is Understanding Quadrilateral. Here I explain the polygon. Now what is polygon? A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called a polygon. Simple closed curve made up of only line segment, then it is called a polygon. Now this is the simple closed curve. It is made up of line segment only, therefore this curve is called a polygon. Now see this triangle. This triangle is also the simple closed curve made up of the line segment, three line segment, and this is also called a polygon. This is the three side polygon, this is the five side polygon. Now AE, AB, BC, CD, ED and A are the sides of the polygon. Okay, and side which intersect at one point, these are the vertices of the polygon. Point A, point B, point C, point D and point E. Similarly, in this polygon or triangle, point P, point Q and point R are the vertices of the polygon. Okay. Now see the types of polygon. First type is regular polygon. Now what is regular polygon? The polygon whose all sides and all angles are equal, then it is called a regular polygon. The polygon which having the equal side and the equal angles, that polygon is called a regular polygon. Okay. For example, here I draw the triangle. In this triangle, AB, side AB, BC and AC. These three sides are equal, angles are equal, then this triangle is called a regular polygon. And the triangle which having the equal side, equal angles called the equilateral triangle. Therefore, equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. Okay. Now see the next square. All sides are equal, each angle of 90 degree, then this polygon is also called a regular polygon. Now what is irregular polygon? The polygon which is not regular. It means the sides are not equal or angles are not equal, then that polygon is called a irregular polygon. Clear? Now the next diagonals. Now diagonals of the polygon. When we join any two non-consecutive vertices of the polygon, then it is called the diagonal of the polygon. For example, in this pentagon. Okay, in this way we can draw the diagonals. The number of diagonals that we can draw into the polygon is given by the formula. The number of diagonals for the n-side polygon is equal to n in bracket n minus 3 upon 2. Okay, in this way, using this formula we can find out how many diagonals we can draw in polygon. Okay, now see the next. Here we see the exercise 3.1. Okay, question number 1 is given, tick the correct answer. You will do after this remaining question. Okay, this is homework for you. See the question number 2. Question number 2 is given, state the number of sides for the given polygon. Okay. Now on page number 51, one table is given there. Okay. Due to the number of sides in a polygon, their types are given or special name for the polygon. Three-side polygon, it is called a triangle. This is regular triangle or polygon and irregular polygon. Figure are also given there. Okay. Then four-side polygon, this is called a quadrilateral. Five-side polygon, it is called a pentagon. Six-side polygon, it is called a hexagon. Seven-side polygon, it is called a heptagon or the septagon. Then eight-side polygon is called a octagon. Nine-side polygon is called a nonagon and 10-side polygon is called a decagon. Now question number 2 is given, state the number of sides for given polygon. Name of the polygons are given here. Here we have to write the number of sides. Okay. Hexagon. Hexagon is the polygon of how many sides? Yes, 6 sides. Decagon is the polygon of 10 sides. octagon is the polygon of 8 sides. In this way, here we have to write the number of sides for the given polygon. Okay. Then see the next question. Question number 3 is given. State the number of diagonal for the following polygon. Name of the polygons are given. Here we have to find out the number of diagonals for this polygon. Septagon. Now septagons, this is the polygon of how many sides? 7 sides. The value of n is equal to what? 7 here. Number of diagonals for the septagon. This is the formula to find out the number of diagonal for the polygon of n side. Therefore, number of diagonals for the septagon is given by n in bracket n minus 3 upon 2. What is n? Number of sides for the given polygon. N is equal to 7. Here we put 7 minus 3 upon 2. 7 into 7 minus 3, that is 4 divided by 2. That is 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. It means in septagons we can draw 14 diagonals. Okay. In this way you have to complete the B and C example of question number 3. Let's see the question number 4. Name the regular polygon. Regular polygon with number of sides given below. Number of sides are given here. Here we have to write the name of regular polygon. Now 4-side polygon. We know that 4-side polygon is called a quadrilateral. But what is the regular quadrilateral? The sides are equal and each angles are equal, then that polygon is called a regular polygon. Now 4-side polygon is the regular polygon is the square. Square having all sides equal and all angles equal. Therefore 4-side polygon or regular polygon is the square. Clear? Then name of the regular polygon with 7 sides. 7 side it is called a heptagon. Okay. Therefore 7-side regular polygon is called a regular heptagon. Clear? Then 5-side regular polygon, it is called a regular pentagon. Then what is the name for the 9-side? Yes, this is the regular nonagon. Okay, that you have to complete. Then question number 5. Question number 5 is given. Which of the following polygon are the complex polygon? Now what is, convex polygon. Now what is convex polygon and the concave polygon? The polygon in which if we join the any two non-consecutive vertices of the polygon, it is inside the polygon, then that polygon is called a convex polygon. Okay, for example, if you join this any two vertex of the polygon, okay, now this line segment is totally inside the polygon, then such polygons are called a convex polygon. Okay, or another, if the interior angle of the polygon is less than 180 degree, then that polygon is called a convex polygon. Okay, and remaining are the concave polygon. Now see this B example it is given. Okay, in that interior angle, this angle is greater than 180 degree. If we draw the or join these two vertices of the polygon, this line is outside the polygon, then this polygon is called a concave polygon. Clear? I hope you understand what is convex polygon and what is concave polygon. See example it is given in your book. This is the convex polygon. And what about the D example? This is the concave polygon. In this way you have to complete question number 5. Okay. Now student, note down your homework. Question number 1, that is tick the correct answer. Okay. Here we see question number 2 to question number 5. From that you can easily do the question number 1. Question number 6 is given. Which of the following are the regular polygon? We already see here what is regular polygon. Using this definition you have to identify which is the regular polygon from the given polygons. Okay. This is all for today student. Thank you very much.